Hello students. So in this video we are going to talk about the notification released by CNLU Chanakya National University Patna. Right, so this notification talks about, or rather this notification calls in interest from those students who wish to apply for the vacant seats which are available in CNLU Patna despite the 5 list. So now you have to individually apply if you want to avail vacant seats at CNLU Patna. So if you come to the Google search and search for NLU vacancy 2024, you would find our law prep website from where you can keep track of all the vacancies at a single place, right? Now here if you see, if you come to the 11th entry here, we get to see that there is a notification and application link to apply for CNLU Patna vacant seats. Now first of all, let's read the notification and try to understand certain details as in who can apply and how they can apply. Right, so if we come to the notification here, uh, right, just allow me to open this. Now if you come to the notification here, it says that these are the categories under which vacant seats are available. Now there are two very important aspects here. One, the number of vacant seats has not been mentioned by the university, so we are not having any information about as to how many seats are available in each category. But one thing we know, the only seats available right now are under all India general category, right? So these are the only seats that are available right as of now. For other seats also, the university is calling expression of interest, but the only thing is that they have mentioned that all under all these categories, if you are from Bihar domicile, in that if you are from BC2, EBC, EWC, SC, or here down, women from backward caste, that is WBC. If you are from Bihar domicile and having any of these reservation, you can still apply for the vacant seats, but the university also mentions that there are no as such vacancies for these seats as of now, but if tomorrow the vacant seat is created or a seat falls vacant, in that case only those students who apply for this particular vacancies, only they will be able to avail this particular vacant seat. So if we come down here, there are two steps in order to enroll for or apply for the vacant seat at this particular university. The only condition here being for those who are applying from general category, they should have a all India rank below 3000. Only then they can apply under general category, all India general category, right? And for those who are applying under Bihar domicile BC2 reservation, they should have a rank below 8000 in the Clat 2024 examination. Similarly, you see 8000 cutoff rank for EBC Bihar domicile as well, and 8000 for EWS Bihar category as well. Whereas for SC ST they haven't mentioned any such requirement, so they don't have any rank cutoff, right? So this is the rank cutoff. So if you have a rank below this particular rank for the categories mentioned, that is in general category below 3000 or any other Bihar domicile further backward class or EBC or EWS category, a rank of below 8000, then you can apply. Now coming to the procedure of applying for this particular vacant seats is that first you have to fill this application form, second you have to make the payment. Right, the payment in this regard is 26,970. This is the amount that will be refunded, so it's a refundable amount. Subject to that, you did not get the seat till the closure of admission. That means you applied for the vacant seat, all the vacant seats were filled, despite filling of all those vacancies you did not get a seat. In that case, this 26,970 rupees will be refunded to you. But if you get a seat or you withdraw it anywhere in between, then also you will get the refund amount. But if you get the seat at the end and you don't avail it, in that case the refund will not be provided. This is the simple fast uh, uh, the refund rule in regards to the payment that you will make, that is for the amount of 26,970, right? So if you go to the first link here, you have to fill the form, right? If you look at the form here, all of these are basic details, but one more thing that has to be kept in mind is that the vacant seats are available both for BALLB and BBLLB in general category, right? And for others also, if tomorrow it falls vacant, because this is the only form that will be available, so only those who fill this form, they will be able to avail any vacancy in future also. So you have to fill this form in order to avail any vacancy. If it comes in third round, fourth round, only if you fill this before 12th of June, then you will be able to apply. Now in that also, in BLLB and BBLLB, if you want to avail vacant seats for these two courses at the same time, then you have to make two applications. You have to submit the fees twice. That means the 26,970 has to be submitted twice, and in this application you will reflect as to which course you're choosing. So in one application form, if I want to make application form for both vacant seats in BLLB and BBLLB, in that case I will choose either of them for the first application, and the next application I will change it. You cannot choose both of them, right? One application form and one fee will be useful for one course of vacant seats only, right? Then if you come to the next column, they're all very general detail, very basic detail that you're already aware of: your application number, your admit card, your score, your rank, right? If you're availing reservation, as I've told you, the general category reservation is available. Apart from that, all other reservation as to backward classes or EWS, uh, uh, all these categories are only for people who have Bihar domicile, right? Apart from that, your phone number, your parents phone number, your correspondence address, right? After that you can submit this particular application. Apart from that, you have to make the fee payment. This is also very important, right? The fee payment has to be done through this particular link. You have to reflect the same name, applicant name, same rank, same admit card number that you have filled in the application form. So this should match in order for you a payment to confirm, right? Because you're not separately sending any acknowledgement of the payment made. So this particular information that you fill here before making payment, that will be useful to match the payment details, right? Once the detail matches with the application, so you have submitted the application form, at the same time you have submitted the uh, you have made the required fee also, right? Since you have done both these two procedures, right, you can avail the vacant seats, or uh, you have successfully made an application to the concerned NLU for the vacancy, right? Now apart from that, if you look at the deadline here, the deadline in this regard is 12th of June 2024. So you should be filling this particular application form and making the fee payment before 12th of June 2024, right? The first list will be published on 7th of June 2024, and selected candidates be started from for provisional admission. If you look here, and the admission process will start from 18 for those who get their name, or whose name appear in the first merit list that will be released on 17th of June, right? Apart from that, if you have any queries, the CNLU has already provided cell phone numbers for respective grievances. So if you have any problem with regard to payment, then you can approach this particular number, and there are other details also for other piece of information as well, right? So a complete set of notification this is. I hope that I have explained all aspects of this particular notification. I hope this was useful video. Thank you so much. Wraps up.